Hey, 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 Cindy Herr-Pino here, getting ready to demo Color Street 100% dry nail polish strips. If you haven't tried them, you are in for a treat. We save nail polish users time and money with amazing professional salon quality results. So I'm very excited to share this with you. So right now I have naked nails. I gave myself my own little mani and I'm getting ready to start. So Color Street comes in a little packet. There's actually 2 sets of 8 in here. I've opened the container and they are in air sealed plastic, so they won't dry out, but if you sniff them, they're nail polish. So all we've done is taken a few steps for you that you don't have to take yourself. Super exciting. So what you want to do is take it out of the container, make sure you've washed your hands, and it comes with its own little prep pad. So this is just an alcohol wipe, which I go ahead and wipe down my nail beds, make sure that I don't have any oils or grease from my hands or food or anything like that. Of course, I've washed them already. So we make sure that they're really dry so the nail polish is gonna stick. And what you do is you're gonna see that each of these is a different width. So if you can tell, of the 8 different tabs, it is narrower at the top and wider at the bottom. So all you have to do is figure out which one is going to fit the width of your finger right to left. And then you're gonna go ahead, they're already scored. So I know my fingers, I know what I need. So I'm going to go ahead and do my pinky. So you separate the tab that you're gonna use. You can even separate them ahead of time if you wanna play with them. The most important part is you wanna remove this plastic covering, and it's really important because the nail polish won't apply properly if you don't do that, and you will notice it being really stiff. Okay, then the second step, you are going to release this silver tab. So see that silver tab? We are going to go ahead and release the silver tab, and now you have 100% nail polish in your hand. It's even scored at this end, so with just a gentle little tug, boop, 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 we've got that off. And again, remember, it's wider at that end and narrower at this end. And I'm going to do my pinky. So here's my little pinky, and I think I am going to turn my camera down here so I can pay attention to what I'm doing. Okay, so I'm going to take this little tab. Oops, see, it's very flimsy right now. I'm going to take this little tab and I'm going to apply it close to the cuticle, but not on top of the cuticle. You give it just a teeny tug. I like to say it looks kind of like cellophane. And it's gonna grab your nail, kind of like saran wrap does. And then I like to use my thumb as a tool. So I'm just gonna take my thumb and tuck it over and under my nail. See what I'm doing? Wow, this is a nice polish. This one's thin. It's gonna go on really easily. It's almost melting to my nail immediately. And then we are going to gently tear that away. Then we're just going to smooth it down with our finger. If there's any little excess there, you can work on that. Just get it off. There we go. And clean up if you need to on the sides. There's a little piece, oops, sorry. There's a little piece there on the side. Okay, look, you guys. It is completely dry to the touch. Now I can go back because my nails are short and I can use my other end of that tab, and I can, it doesn't matter if you don't get it done right the first time, you can lift it up multiple times and replace it. This is hard to do backwards and upside down. But I'm doing it. looky there, backwards and upside down. So see, this is just nail polish. And all I'm gonna do is take my thumb, again, can you see this? Take my thumb, tuck it under the edge of my nail. So actually my nail is what is breaking away the excess nail polish and making a clean cut there. And this one wants to melt onto my finger. And then you just release it, and now I have some trash, and I've got my pretty fingernail, and there's a little glitter. Can you see it right there? So again, I'm just gonna use my nail to score it. You don't wanna pull, you just wanna score it, and there it's gone. And if you got it on the cuticle, you don't have to worry, it's gonna come off eventually when you shower or whatnot, but you can also do the same thing and just score that little bit there to get that little fleck off. So there you go, I've got 2 fingers completely done in minutes. Isn't it awesome? Okay, I've been using this consistently for 3.5 years. I keep my nails short because I take care of my grandson who's almost 2 and changing diapers and everything. But look, they're very healthy, and it comes off with normal nail polish remover. And I do have a trick video for that too, which you should watch. But voila, and I can unzip my pants and go to the bathroom. I can go to bed, put my hands under my pillow and not have sheet marks. It's totally amazing. So I invite you to try Color Straight. And if you haven't yet, please message me for a free sample. Or if you want to buy a trial set, we can do that too and get it on your way so you can have beautiful fingers and toes. And one set, remember, is 16 complete tabs. And you saw I did 2 fingers with 1 tab. So I can do all my fingers and all my toes with 1 package. Or you could do a mommy-daughty, mother-daughter mani. Super fun. So I hope you'll give it a try. Thank you so much for your interest. Have a great day.